Okay, we are going to get started here. We are going to be talking about knowing your numbers and what is the foundation of knowing your numbers. So today's talk is going to be an introduction to your chart of accounts. And I'm Kelly Ballard. I am the Abundance Business Coach. I am also the founder of Business Resource Group. And in the last 25 or so years, I have worked with thousands of business owners and helped them navigate some choppy waters of their business and understanding their accounting system. So let's get going. We're going to be talking about financial awareness. And as everybody knows, like anything else, awareness begins with the foundation. And when we understand the foundation, it is easier to understand everything that comes after that. So the very beginning, the heart of your accounting system is your chart of accounts. What is a chart of accounts? A chart of accounts is a list of general ledger accounts. Income, which can be sales or service, cost of goods sold, expense accounts, asset accounts, equity accounts, and liability accounts. So those are the types of general ledger accounts that we are going to dive into a little bit. And every single transaction that your business ever has is going to involve two of those accounts, which is what we call double entry accounting. So most everybody has heard of a profit and loss or an income statement. The two terms can be used interchangeably. An income statement or a profit and loss, are what we call temporary accounts. Those are accounts that you can run a report from those for any period of time, for a year, a quarter, a month, a week, even a day, if there's a reason you'd want to look at one day's activities. So that is, when you run it for that period of time, it is going to reflect every transaction in that month, quarter, or year, whatever the time frame is that you're running it for. Your balance sheet is going to be as of. Your balance sheet is going to be the activity ups and downs of those accounts from the beginning of time to that date. So that is your balance sheet. It is always as of. So what is your balance sheet? Your balance sheet is a snapshot of your company's financial health or the business's financial health in that moment. It is your assets, your liabilities, and then your equity. So this gives you a really good idea how healthy your business is, or if you have a problem. If you have two liabilities for every asset, you're probably not looking at a company that's in real good financial condition. If you have two assets for every liability, you're looking at a much stronger, healthier company. And banks have ratios that they want to look at and see for all of those things. Profit and loss. Hopefully more profit than loss, or your income statement is a summary of the revenue, cost, and expenses incurred during a specific time period. As we said earlier, you can run a profit and loss for a day, a week, a month, a year, a quarter, whatever it is that you're looking at it and analyzing it for. So this is all of your income, your cost of goods sold, and then your expenses. Now, when I set up an accounting system for a business, we set this up so that it's going to make sense for the business owner. It's going to reflect the information in a way that is meaningful to them. And that will affect how and what we put in cost of goods sold and how we set up the expenses. So that is something that I work directly with each business owner to accomplish. Again, here's your balance sheet, which is your assets minus your liabilities, and that gives you your equity. That's what's left over if you took all your assets and sold all your assets and paid off all your liabilities. What's left over belongs to the business owner or the stakeholders. So that is the importance of your balance sheet. So again, my name is Kelly Ballard. I'm the Abundance Business Coach. I work with business owners to help them use this information in a positive and productive way to move them towards their goals and what it is that they want to accomplish in their business. So my number's on the screen. If you'd like to give me a call, set up an appointment for a complimentary consultation, I'd love to chat with you. And I hope you found this information useful. Thank you and have a good day.